Guys, you are not ready for this. I have been receiving PR boxes from some amazing brands, and today we are unboxing everything together. And trust me, the products inside these boxes are insane. So let's dive in. So hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, I'm Kashish Sahu, and today's video is very exciting because we are doing a massive PR unboxing. And thank you so much to all the brands who sent me these PR boxes. To be honest, I'm super excited to unboxing them. And yeah, I haven't opened anything yet, so we are going to see everything together. Okay, so first we have Dream Beauty. So let's open it one by one. What is this? This is foundation. Look at the packaging of this foundation. Wow. So I have received 3 boxes from Dream Beauty. In first box, I have received foundation, and let's open it. Oh, so it is lip gloss. To be honest, I want to try this lip gloss. Let me show you like this. Should I apply this?
No.
It's looking nice. I love it. And this is the last box of Dream Beauty. And this is blush. ये blush देखूं लगा कर. Let's see it. Blush के ऊपर blush लगाती हुई मैं. Look at the shine. So whatever I have received from Dream Beauty, I have showed you guys. And now it's time to unbox another brand PR box. So many lipsticks and lip glosses. So I have received 6 lipstick and 3 lip glosses from Glazing Beauty brand. And yes, अब मैंने एक एक करके इस वीडियो में तो दिखा नहीं सकती all lipstick and lip glosses, but yeah, I will definitely record the shot of these lipstick and lip glosses. So stay tuned. मैंने इन्हें एक भी ओपन करके नहीं देखा है, तो एक आध तो ओपन करना बनता ही है. मैं आपको ऐसे ही दिखा देती हूँ. Not gonna apply on my lips because I have already applied lip gloss on my lip. So this is the lip gloss. The color is so amazing, bhai. I like it. You know what? I love this color. I love this shade, bhai. Oh, and this shade is so awesome. I don't know ये on camera कैसा लग रहा है, आपको कैसा दिख रहा है, but in real, this is so awesome. मैं आपको हाथ पे लगा के दिखाती हूँ. And look, this is transfer proof. And now it's time to open this. And to be honest, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा इन दोनों चीज़ों के लिए excited थी. So Carlton London has sent me their 2 products. Let's open it. First, I will open this. इनका poly bag. मेरे साथ देखेंगे सारे लोग. So it's a bag. You can style this bag like this, and you can also style this bag ऐसे. मैं पूरा नहीं दिखा पा रही. I will also create the reel of this bag, and of course ये जो भी है देखते हैं क्या है. बहुत प्यारा बैग है और इसकी क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है. So the last PR, but not the least, let's open it together. यहाँ से खोला. वैसे पता है मुझे पता है इसमें क्या है, बट मैं इसे असली में देख रही हूँ तो और भी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. हो गया. ऐसे दिखाऊंगी. कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. होय 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 होय. बॉक्स. बूट्स देख लो ऐसे करके. मैं ज्यादा पीछे भी नहीं हो सकती. सबसे अच्छा पता है मुझे क्या लगा? ये सबसे प्यारा PR. Okay, now I need your help. You guys have to tell me that which brand should I review first, Carlton London, Glazing Beauty or Dream Beauty. Comment below and tell me that which product you want to see in action. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and huge thank you to the brands for sending me these over. Don't forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Love you guys. See you in the next video.